Hello guys, welcome to my channel Internet Journey. If you are new to this channel, in this channel we will post all the videos about internet exploring, and we will explore internet, and we will bring you amazing and free stuff for you people, and we will post the videos about online privacy and security, and we will motivate you, and we will be posting all stuff related to programming, and I will bring you the best and great websites for you. So enjoy and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. So let's start the video. Number 1. This is a simple website and simple tool that checks if your username or email address have ever been breached and released by hackers. If any time that has been happened to your account, you should change the password on compromised accounts. Do this at least once a year as a part of an annual security and privacy checkup. Just enter your mail which you want to check and click on Pond. I don't know how exactly this word should be spelled. If you know how to spell, just let me know through the comment section. So after clicking that, if your mail is secured, you will be getting green color like good news, no PAN is found. If not secure, it will give the details of the website where your data has been leaked and breached. So if you got any of these, just change your password to secure your account. Number 2. Radio Garden. Radio Garden is an amazing and interactive website. This website lets you tune into nearly any radio station in the world. It provides you with an interactive map with green dots, each dot representing a live radio station. It's a fun way to kill some time and one of the best ways to find interesting internet radio stations. Let's have a look.
Bentrovati da Nikos.
Hallelujah, amen. Amen. Hallelujah.
Security prison. Yes, P. Abdul Adamu.
Number 3. Future Timeline. Future Timeline is a website which offers prediction about the future based on present facts and ongoing scientific research. Every bit of speculation. There are so many predictions for future years, what will be true by 2030, 2040 and 2050. These all are based on present facts and scientific research and technological activities. Definitely our world is growing somewhere far due to transformation of technology. If you want to know how technology changes our future and what are all machines will be exist in our future and how this world is going to reshape, these are all predictions will be in this website. If you want to know about little bit of the future world, I will recommend you to check out this website. Number 4. GeoGuessr. GeoGuessr is a fun way to kill some time. It will present you with a street view location from somewhere in the world. It's like a game. This game is beyond fascinating. It drops you somewhere in the world on Google Street View and you have to guess where you are, and you have to pinpoint where it is on a map. The closer you pinpoint your location on the map, the more points you will get. You can even customize it so you can only be dropped in Europe or other regions. But for the real fun, you have to play the global version. So if you want to experience this fun, go and check out this website. Number 5. I don't say that this is like a website and just this is like one type of trick. Even I don't know exactly. You can consider like a website or a trick after seeing this. I think this is like website and trick. So go to Google and type prnt.sc/rt. After RT, you have to enter any 4-digit random number so that you will be shown some random screenshot of some people around the world. Sometimes you will be shown some weird type of screenshots. I don't know how this is possible and what wrong with this website. You will get so many screenshots by changing that 4 random numbers at last. So once you can try this website, there is nothing wrong in this, and the problem is with this website developer, we can see many screenshots until the website developer fixes the bug. That's it guys for this video. I hope you like this video and share it to your friends, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more videos.